Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. And as the name suggests, the power saving mode is designed to prolong the battery life on your watch, and it does it by turning off some of the features of the watch in the process. Okay, so let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to open the controls menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the light button. By default, you won't see the battery saver icon right here. So if you don't have it, press and hold the up button, tap on add controls, and find the battery saver icon, and then tap on it. And the control will be added. We can go back by pressing the back button. And once you're back in the controls menu, you should see battery icon right here in the menu. Select it, and once you select it, you will see the status. As you can see, at the moment it is turned off, and right here above we have the estimated battery life. It basically shows you how long the battery should last. And to turn on the mode, you select the icon and then press start button. The mode will change, or the status will change to on, and the estimation will also increase because you turned on the battery saver mode. And it increased quite a lot actually, because it increased like 9 days, I think. Yeah, so that's quite a lot. Not more than 9 days, right? No, 9 days. Okay, and then if you go to watch face, you will see that watch face is different now, because that's how it looks like when the power saving mode is enabled. And some of the features will be locked, of course, by the watch. And to disable the mode, you open the control panel, control menu, scroll through it, select the battery icon, and then press the start button to change the status to off, and we're back to off. The estimation will lower and the watch face will be back to normal. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.